Jokanyo maromo 114 mawuok e sekta mar limbe mantiere kaunti ma Migori kod Kisii ni kod mor tok puothgi e chenro mar sidho jokanyo e sekta mar limbe. Nyasino ne otime kar tiegruok mar tije lwedo ma Kisii mar jiwo sekta no. Joma ne opuodhi koro yangi ni nyalo chwalo tije mag limbe kamoro amora e pacho ka tok yudo tiegruok madwarore. Chenro mar chwalo tiegruok ne ji e sekta no idhi chwal e counties mamoko ma pacho ka ahinya mar jiwo limbe mar jopiny Kenya kara domestic tourism kanyakla kod tayo jolimbe mawuok e pinje maoko. Kaluwore kod apisa mar TTRF, chenro mar tiegruok no bende en mano ma piny owacho oketo mar jiwo ngima jo Kenya kuonde te e pacho ka.
We in Tourism Fund is propagating and promoting the agenda of Kenya Kwanza government of bottom up. Specifically, the training we've been offering here is to promote those who are in the tourism industry, but they do not have basic training. That is to give them a training, a recognized training. That is why we've partnered with Kisii National Polytechnic. And we've given them training techniques to give them a key to go to the world.
We have reined up all activities, matters tourism, matters hospitality. So Kisii County is a county watch in the hospitality industry. And the TF, we need to thank TF for coming in at the right time to ensure that we upskill the people who are still in the industry, to ensure that we get to know the things, the way things are changing. And you understand that this is a space that is keep on changing.
We are equipping these employees with the skills that they require to work better. We know that they have gained a lot of skills by working at the industry, but we are topping up. We are doing recognition of the skills they have learned, and we are also upskilling them so that they can even perform better. We are also shortly preparing them through trainings in various languages like French and German and Chinese.